What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be refactoring Space Invaders, and I apologize, I'm like an hour late, I'd say, from when I tweeted out that we were going to be starting in an hour. Yeah, I'm an hour late on that. Had some school supplies to get, and but we're good now. So here's Space Invaders. Can't remember, we press space to shoot, and we can move, we can shoot, and we try not to get hit by the, okay, whoa, okay, wow. If I can make it past level 1, hopefully. Should I just spam? Yeah, I think I should spam. There we go, cool. And then level 2. And then from here it just gets harder and harder. So that's cool. So we have, let's first change this to a constant. Time in between laser firing, I guess, yeah. Our shuttle is the player. Our score is their score. Field of enemies are the aliens array. Speed, movement, and then we'll just say difficulty. Speed. Okay, so movement. Okay, we're good, yeah. This is, yeah, speed. Speed makes sense. I'd like to say that movement is their path, keeping track of path. Okay, so we have initialize player, to, yeah, we're good. So that false. Okay, so I think that's good. We have aliens, initialize, yeah, we're good. Initialize enemies. Let's do initialize fleet. There we go. Cool. Score, speed, movement, and then text align. Cool. Okay. So we're good. Let's just initialize difficulty. There we go. Okay. Okay, so we have, this is all about aliens. So I'm just gonna wrap this in a function. Handle aliens. Let's go down here. Let's say function handle aliens. Nice. Paste that. Y change. How far the aliens move down. Okay. Okay, so that's cool. We say loop through all aliens. We go random .sh. What is that? I can't remember. Aliens, I'm pretty sure it's in this shape. Okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. So the more sides of, okay, wow, okay. The more sides a ship, a saucer has, the more difficult it is to deal with. The more often it shoots. That was neat. I didn't know I did that. I like that feature. I'm really digging that feature. So it's like this guy is like, right? These two guys are much more difficult than the triangle here, or the diamond. And I'm really liking how these shapes are, you know, placed. Or not placed, they look nice. I don't know, this is such a satisfying game to me, and I don't understand really why. But anyways, intact, we say if the alien has not been destroyed, else delete it from the array. Delete should be capitalizing saucer. There we go. Delete saucer from the array. Cool. So we increment score, mint score based upon side shape. The more the speed, the rate of fire depends on the shape of saucer. Okay, so now then we delete it from the array. Oh, we'll just say saucer has been destroyed. Okay. Cool. If we go here, then we move it. Okay. Sign, movement. Think we're good. Think we're good on this. Well, I don't know. I'd like to know whenever sign changes signs. Because I don't really want it to change when we aren't hitting a wall. So if we do this, we're going to say var x change equals sign movement. Okay. So y change depends on whether or not sign is greater than like 0.99. So we'll say, what's speed? Yeah, let's just say sign or x change. Okay, we'll say x change greater than, I think I need to do math.abs. X change greater than 0.9, else 0. Okay. How should I say this? We are, move the aliens. Okay. And we only want them to move when they hit. Yeah, okay. So right now. Oh. No? Okay. Interesting. What's up with this right now? So they go here. Cool. Okay, so that time they went to the edge. Okay, yes. Awesome. What if I, like... Okay. So it doesn't seem as though they're... Oh, sorry. Maybe speed plus speed. So let's just log x change and y change. X change, y change. Cool. And let's go here and let's view. So if we, okay, we have -9, so there it changes. So what is speed? Speed is like, yeah, okay, so I don't know if I want to, yeah, let's not base it off on speed. Let's just do like 10, or more like 5 should do. I think 5 is a little bit much. Whoa, yeah. So why is it like this? Maybe more like 1. Why does it go that far? 0.0, okay, fine. Random speed times 100. Can we do that? Okay, so the game does not seem to end. So it needs to be greater than 0.9, the absolute value of it. Sine of movement times 0.1. So then it goes to 9. So why does it, oh, okay. Well, interesting. Let's try less than, so it goes here. Let's try less than 0.1. Maybe that's it. Yes, I think that's it. And then it should go down now. Yes, okay, cool. That's it. Maybe we'll do speed times more like 25. And then they go down. Awesome. So, that's cool. Move the aliens. Only move down at edges. Okay. So this is good. We no longer need that. Can X out. And let's say good, shoot. Intact. Draw. Saucer has been destroyed. Awesome. So, yeah. So we move the alien, we update and draw. I think that's good. If it's intact, 1 second. Okay, my apologies. Let's see. So we draw updates. One thing I need to know is if it's intact and if aliens.i.onScreen. Here we'll just say on screen. If it's not on screen, aliens or saucers has reached how should I say this? Has reached bottom. The bottom of the screen. There we go. Then we end game. So where do we end game? Our call, initialize fleet, end game. Here we go. I want to end the game here. Okay. So this does many things. It moves, updates, draws, and moves, updates, and draws aliens. Alien saucers. There we go. Manages aliens array. What else does it do? It, let's see. We're being forced to watch. Hey bud, you're killing it. My best friend and girlfriend are being forced to watch. Okay. If it's against their will, then, I mean, I don't know if I condone that, but I guess we'll continue. So we move, update, and draw alien saucers, and then we detect if they go off the screen. Checks for endgame. Checks for a loss, not a loss. How should I say this? When they reach the bottom, the game ends. So how do I say we handle that in this function? Let's see. Saucer. Okay, let's see. So if it reaches the bottom of the screen, then we need to end the game. I've written that. Now we need to say handles, we'll just say handles end game. It doesn't handle the end game. Handles, handles a loss. Handles, what does it handle? It really just handles, if it isn't on screen, then we end the game. That's all we do. Handles the, I don't know the semantics of this, and I don't know why I'm getting so bogged down about the semantics in it, but it should. That's what I'm trying to say. It's just when it reaches the bottom of the screen, it ends. Handles it doesn't handle a collision, handles alien takeover. Because they reach the bottom and maybe they reach a planet or something and then they take over. I don't understand, but you should get the idea. Aliens now take over. I think that's how you spell takeover. Take over. So it's two words. I mean, it's one word. My bad. Okay, cool. Pretty simple so far. I don't know what I'm talking about when I said it's simple, but let's see. Handles user input. Fairly simple. Have this every single time. Keep pressed. Handles user input to movement. Handles user input to shooting, to lasering, to laser. Okay, and we capitalize laser for some reason. Our call random color. Cool. Let's do this. Returns a random color. There we go. So yeah, that's cool, that's cool. Initialize fleet. And we have, I'll document this in a little bit. Width and height. Do we do, oh, didn't mean to do that. This isn't, this should be rows and columns. X size, okay, and calls. Let's see, okay. Y offset, and we have our fleet, returning array, returning, that just looks weird to me. So we loop through, and we push new saucers. and we do all the calculations. Okay, let's do var saucer equals new saucer. We're gonna do all of these. Saucer, we have an x and a y. Var x, though we use it here, so I don't know if I want to do that. Var x position equals, and then we'll just say this. There we go. We'll put that there, and then we'll say var y position equals, and we're going to set that equal to this. So we say y position, nice, size, and then what's after that? What do we got? Size shape equals, and we're just going to do the math.floor random. Okay. I'm gonna add the 3 outside the parenthesis. There we go. And then we have color. Yeah, we have a color. And then whether it's an enemy or not. So if we do shape, random color, true. Because true, the last one is whether it's an enemy or not. Or whether it's an alien. So we build the saucer, and then we need to push it to the fleet. Dot push saucer. Neat. Okay. So here we construct the saucer. Cool, that's what we do. Loop through rows and calls and we do end game. Should be a pretty simple one also. Ends the loop, draws end game message. There we go. Nice. Okay, that's where we draw it. Everything's looking good so far. All this is documented. And we have more. Okay, so we have aliens.length. And we have, what's up with this? Do we need to, we like check for the next level. Let me delete this before let me move this over here. Movement plus plus. Now what we want to do is say function handle, I guess it's just level. We do if aliens. Can I do that? No, I can't. Okay. Oop. I'm trying to get our school to allow for GitHub or the git bash to be installed, because right now we have no version control and it's atrocious. And I'm also pushing for Node. I think that'd be awesome. All alien saucers have been destroyed. And then we initialize a new fleet with more speed. And yeah, okay. Increases the level and difficulty. There we go. So here we have our handle level. Nice. And then we have handle shuttle tool there. Okay. So we're going to go into function handle, and we will type that there. Oh, didn't do that. There we go. Okay. So this is pretty simple. Updates and draws shuttle, and it also handles collision. Handles shuttle when the shuttle gets shot, we end the game. How do I say that? Shuttle has been hit. Handles handles it doesn't handle it, it just ends the game if it's not intact, if that's what we say. Handles destroyed shuttle. Destroyed shuttle handles the ending of the game once we collide. What did I say for the aliens? Handles alien takeover. So that means I'm just calling it the verb, meaning once they reach the bottom, the aliens have taken over. So once we get shot, the shuttle is destroyed. Handles shuttle destruction. There we go. Shuttle has been hit and is now okay. I'm not gonna be that verbose with the verbose. I don't know what the stress with the syllable is. We've got draw score. Cool. Let's simply go here. Function draw score, and let's paste that. And this one's easy. We simply draws the score. We simply draws the score. Now what we do up here is we kind of just put everything together. Handle keys is gonna go up here, and we draw the score. So now our draw method is all fine and dandy and clear, and I'm loving it. So if we go up here, looking good, saucer. So here's where the real refactoring begins. Well, it's not that bad. Well, I don't know. Is it that bad? Let's see. Size. That's the first thing we'll do. We'll simply change this to size. This dot s, this dot size. Find, replace. SH is going to change to shape. So this one is going to be, what did I do? Can I control Z? Okay. Find. Oh, and I messed it up. SH shape. Find. Not gonna make that mistake again. SH. Okay, well, we're good. This dot C goes to this dot color. So we'll find, replace, find, replace, find. Okay, net loot. Cool. Now we do this dot E, and we say this dot alien, because our only enemies are aliens. Replace, and we're good. Let's go back up to top. Alien. Oh wait, no, I want to do cooldown. This dot cd cooldown. Find. Replace. Cool. Now we're good. Shape. Enemy or not. And we'll say, I'm gonna wrap this in a better, more explaining variable name. Size. We have shape. A refactoring thing would be real nice. Maybe I'll code the next thing in TypeScript. Not the next one, but the next time I do a game a day, if I ever want to. Cooldown. That's one word. No need to capitalize the D. This dot intact. Whether the ship is saucer. It's a saucer. Is destroyed or not. Okay, so we also have this dot on screen, which is something I just added. Whether the saucer has reached the edge of the screen. Is on screen. Is visible. Cool. Okay. So then cooldown is the intermittent. Is that how you spell it? Yes. Okay. Between lasers. Between laser. Yeah, I'll just say that. On screen lasers. Okay. Awesome. XY. We have a position, velocity, and acceleration. Position. Velocity. Acceleration. Neat. Okay. Position changes velocity. Velocity. No. Acceleration changes velocity. Velocity changes position. That's the basics of what we're talking about. On screen is something we need to do in the update function. If we do intact laser dot, okay, and then we say this dot on screen equals on screen equals, and then we need to figure out what's up. So we need the inequality, this dot position dot y. If it's greater than, well, let's add this dot size to it. Is greater than the height of the display. It's right there. Update on screen property. There we go. That one's self-explanatory, but I'm documenting it anyways. So now, if we go, let's document update first. There. Okay. So here we simply, I'm just gonna write that we handle movement. Handle movement. Okay. So you do here. Handle what? Lasers. So here, let me make sure this is good. Add the acceleration. That's cool. The position is changed by your velocity. Friction, and then reset acceleration. Okay, cool. Everything's pretty good here. And now we loop through all lasers. We draw and update the lasers. Draw and update. Cool. Else, you can't see the lasers, so we delete them out the array. We'll just say remove lasers from array. Laser, it's only one when we're looping through one. Now we want all ships. Handle lasers. What else is this doing though? Handle lasers. This honestly could be its own function. Because right now, this should go into something else. This needs to go somewhere else. All this, or not this. I think this needs to go somewhere else. You know what? The reason I did that was because, well, no, since we're calling it an update, I guess we could, yeah, let's simply move this over here. Hoping I got those correct. So we'll just move this here for now and document it in a little bit. Remove laser from array, and cool. It's looking a little bit less cluttered, but we could do better if we didn't have so many lasers. But I mean, what's wrong with lasers? Lasers are part of the game. Let's see. We've got our draw. Okay. Draws the saucer. Neat. Did I document this? Okay, no, I didn't. Handles. Okay, let's say updates position, accelerate, or velocity, and acceleration. And we also updates lasers. Let's capitalize the L in lasers. No, because updates lasers. Updates, yeah, whatever. I don't know, because I could be referring to the array or the actual plural version of the class, and this is why I shouldn't really name them the exact. I should name them like shells. No, they're not shells, but whatever. Step. Okay, so here we are drawing the saucer. We say begin shape. Oh, this is right. I was really surprised that this worked last time. How did I do that? Oh my gosh. Shape. So this is calculate. Well, it's only one line. Radians of it's the distance between vertices. I spelled that completely wrong. Vertices, vertices. That's kind of what it looks like. Distance between vertices, and it's kind of along a circle. So what we do here is we essentially loop through vertices. There we go. Okay. Vertex. We're just gonna say var x equals, and we're going to place this here. Home x. Okay. Let's x this, type y, var y equals that, and this is essentially just along a circle. Using polar coordinates, I guess it would be coordinates. Find vertices along an imaginary circle. I want to be able to explain that. Find the vertices along we'll just say using polar coordinates. Cool. That's all I'll say. I don't know if I should tab that. What are the conventions for comments? Like a multi-line. Maybe I could do, oh yeah, I know what to do. And I'll just do that. Wow. Cool. That was a rough one. Rough voice crack. Let's do find vertices along imaginary circles using polar coordinates. So cool. And then we draw the shape, so that's cool. This is one of the more complicated draw functions, but I like the more complicated draw functions. Let's do shoot. Snap, there. Now we do cooldown. Prepared for shooting. Prepared for Fire at will. There we go. That's all I'm saying. And then we say whether we do actually want it. So we'll say we'll push a laser equals new laser. We'll say this top position dot x. Say this. Wow, I messed this up. Okay. Oop. Okay. Control X. And I'm missing parentheses here. Let's just paste this though. Or call laser. Okay, I accidentally deleted one previously, I guess. Laser. We have the X. We have the Y. We have. What's this next one? Velocity. This dot alien. Okay, okay. So if we're an alien, okay, let's do var x equals this dot position dot x, var y equals this dot position dot y. Can I just say, yeah, I think it'd be better if I were to just, I've seen this done before. I just say that. Yeah, okay, cool. I'll just go for it because that's a lot of lines, I guess. Well, it really doesn't do anything. I'm just gonna put var again, I guess. Just makes it a little bit more confusing, and I don't want that. Var, it's just kind of shorter. Alien, so velocity equals whether this dot alien. So player aims up, alien aims down. Cool. This dot alien, we're in color trajectory. We need a trajectory. Is that how you spell trajectory? It is. Cool. So trajectory, random color. This is actually a random color. I think I've waited too long to test it. Hopefully it works, but I think there's a few things we need to change within Space Invaders. Construct laser, fire up laser. Isn't that a meme or something? I don't remember. Reset cooldown. Okay. So we do fires the saucer's laser. Cool. And move. This one should be, this one's the most basic, I guess. Moves the saucer. And that's good. It's one line. All good. Looking good so far. Nothing too crazy. Think we're going to have to change a couple of things. Yeah. Shape. Intact. On screen. Concat. We're good. This is alien. And then shape. Okay. Shuttle intact. Length. And I don't see anything else. Cool. Let's save it and let's go for yes, let's go for laser. We don't need a specific velocity. Let's just do this dot YV. Let's just change it to this dot velocity. Replace all. Okay. Wow, we have a lot. There. Okay, cool. Now what we want to do is this dot C, this dot color, find, replace. Cool. Now what we want to do is this dot E change to this dot alien. Okay, so find, replace. Only one. Do we no longer... Okay, I guess that's unnecessary then. Let's have this fire or shoot. I don't know why I did it like that. Cool. Random color there. Now, if we do color here, nice. On screen, cool, cool, cool. Let's just copy the exact same. Whether the laser is visible. Laser. There we go. Update. Here we go. Getting in. How you doing, Morgan? It's okay. It's okay that you're late. I'm kind of late also. So handles movement. What else do we do? On screen. Whoa. I'm gonna move this to the bottom because I don't know why I had it here. Let's move that there. There. Nice. Okay. So we do that. I'm just gonna say update on screen. Well, okay. We really don't need that. Loop through all. Oh, the reason I had that up here was because I pasted this code afterward. Loop through all ships in fleet. Where does this come from? Where do we get this? Did we pass it with saucer? All ships. We did indeed. Let's have it so that instead of passing it there, we pass it all ships here. Actually, we do need to pass all ships. And I need to pass it to update with the lasers. Cool. It's kind of spaghetti doing it like that, but I think it's a little bit understandable. Hits. So enemy, alien. Oh, we do use .e. Okay. This .alien equals alien, and we need to replace that. I'll copy one of these. So if we do shoot, nope, shoot, and we do laser, true here, and I'm pretty sure it's, yeah, I think we're good. This .alien. Let's go home. Enemy or not. Paste. Oh, no, there we go. Alien, enemy, laser. Enemy, saucer. Or not. Okay. So what we do now is we say, alien. There has been a bullseye. I'll just say bullseye. Bullseye. How do I spell bullseye? Is that the same metaphor? Bullseye. Cool. Intact equals false. So we just do destroy saucer. Neat. Handles movement. Handles no, it doesn't handle collision, it handles bullseye. Cool. that's all I'm saying really. And then we update the on screen. We also draw. This one's an easy one. We can just bust that out real quick. Draws the laser, and we have this. Cool. It makes sense to have, instead of saucer in the update function, if we made this loop in the draw function, but that means we would have to loop through the lasers twice, and the more for loops the worse, I'd say. Even though it might be a little bit slightly more intuitive. I think that would bog down. Either way, whatever. Okay. Draws the laser. Hits. So we say, this one is the one that handles collision. So if it hits, then we returns whether the laser hits past saucer. Okay. And then we simply this needs to be saucer.size. Cool. There we go. Let's see if it works. It doesn't. Let's see. What do we have? On screen. I bet it's on screen. For Space Invaders. Where did I put that? Let's comment this. There. So yes. We do have an error. I is not defined. Laser.update. 23. Laser. Oh. Say this dot alien. There we go. We'll keep it as J. It's dot lasers dot splice. Oh. Okay. Handles bullseye. We'll have returns whether the laser is still not operating, still volatile, still hot. So we do return let's see. Well, okay, so if we do that, then we need to say and then okay, so lasers.splice, we simply say return false. No, we don't say return false. We say this dot on screen equals false. Cool. Let's try that. So I tried shooting, and I think I hit myself with the. Okay, let's see. This dot hits all ships of J. Let's just do ships. Cool. This dot alien does not equal this, or ships of J dot alien. Means it's a bullseye. So, oh, yeah. Okay, right here. Oh, all ships is not defined still. Where? Laser 21? Oh, there. So if I get hit by one of those, we're dead. But also, oh, am I? Yeah, okay. But also if I shoot. And this alien does not equal ships of J.alien. Okay, let's console.log this dot alien, this dot or ships dot of J dot alien. There we go. Nice. Let's log it. True. Why was that true? No, true false here. True false, true. This dot alien, this dot alien. We're saying, so we're just looping through it here. Let's just move this here. So if we do there, true, false, true, false. So the saucer is not an alien, though it should be an alien. No, it shouldn't be an alien. When I shoot with the saucer, we need to simply pass this dot alien. That's where I went wrong. Oop. Cool, now I can shoot. Cool. Let's see if everything's working nice and dandy. Come on. Ah. Goodness. Whoa, why is it dodging me? Dude, I have to lead so much. Why is this so difficult? There. Okay. Oh, and I hit it. Shucks, I had one more to go. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. No, that should have hit him. There we go. Okay, so level 2 and I died. Let's just wait on this to... I kind of just want to be over here. There we go. Okay. Saucer. If we do acceleration, we need to constrain the movement. This dot position, or this dot, yeah, okay, fine. Well, I don't know if we should, because you could go off the screen to dodge. Well, yeah, let's position equals dot x equals constrain, I don't know, this dot position dot x from 0 to width. Cool. Okay, so let's wait for this to reach the bottom, and then we'll test that, and if it works, then we're done. This was a long refactory. It was a big game, I must say, but I'd say it's a worth it game, because it's got a lot of the neat features of, you know, the shapes of each one being, I don't know, I guess you can't really tell that, you know, the chance. Well, this one seems to be shooting out quite often. Okay, let's see. Come on. We shouldn't have to wait for them to completely go under. It should be once they just reach the bottom of it, it should end the game. But that's in theory. What is this, an octagon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a nonagon. No. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, this is hard to follow. Okay, now next time it should end the game. Nope, it didn't. Huh. This dot on screen, this dot position dot y is greater than let's make sure. Okay, yeah. So we do we ever, okay. Let's do field, or not field, aliens, saucer, and let's check their on screen. On screen says true. Saucer, or alien. Is it? I can't believe I'm not dead yet. There we go. On screen false, so I messed that up. This needs to be less than. There we go. So now it should be good. Space Invaders. Now here is where we have it. There we go. Oh, and we want this there. So now let's make this speed up. 2500. There we go. Game over. Awesome. Splendid. That's about all. We did a lot of lines. 109, 64, 40, almost 200 lines. How many deletions. We have 30, we have 40, and we have 10. 30, 40, 10, that's 80. 80 deletions, 200 additives. I don't know how you, insertions, yeah, okay. But yeah, that's about all. Tomorrow, what will we be refactoring? I am unsure. Let's check up on that. Creator Studio. I don't know why I went to Creator Studio. 100 or 1102. Oh wait, view channel is where I want to go. Videos. Why do I have such a struggle navigating? Okay. Sprinter 22, 23. Catcher. Got catcher next. Fantastic. Well, I hope you guys did enjoy the this episode of A Game A Day, and if you did, be sure to be sure to tune in for tomorrow's catcher game. It's going to be cool. We only have limited amount of these left until we start programming 3D Minecraft, and that's going to be a very long series, hopefully. And hopefully we'll get some viewers going on that. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace, peace.